everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to share with you another Brazilian snack. It's going to be cheese bread, or pão de queijo in Portuguese. Let's go for the ingredients. Half cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of acid manioc starch, 1 cup of sweet manioc starch, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, half cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 2 eggs. First, preheat the oven in 190 Celsius. Mix in a bowl the 2 flours and reserve it. Put in a pot the oil, the water, the milk, and the salt. Turn on the heat in medium and mix it until it boils. Turn off the heat and add it into the starch mix. Keep mixing it until it is homogeneous. And reserve it until it cools down. Now add the mixed eggs and the cheese. If the dough is sticky in your hands, add a bit more of the sweet starch. Then make the little balls, put in a recipient, and put it in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is one of my favorite snacks to make for my friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comments if you tried it at home. See you next Thursday.